Magaling ka nga mag-English pero rejected pa rin? This doesn't just happen in BPO. Kahit sa ibang industry, fluent ka na, confident ka na, pero rejected pa rin. At Metacom, we help job seekers, lalo na sa BPO, na ma-hire not just by fixing their resume or English, but by showing you what recruiters actually look for. Lagi natin iniisip na, ay basta, pag magaling ako mag-English, pasado na ako sa call center. But the truth, ang daming fluent pero unemployed pa rin. Why? Kasi language is just one piece of the puzzle. If you pass the assessment, okay naman ang grammar mo, confident ka naman sa mock calls, pero pagdating sa final interview, nag-block ka pa rin, you start to wonder, ano bang mali sa akin? Here's the answer. It's not about how you speak, it's about how you think. As a recruiter, we want to see you solve the problem, not just how to pronounce words. Use the STAR method. Situation, task, action, and result. Gamitin mo ito sa mga questions like, tell me about the time you handled a difficult customer. Kasi in the real world, hindi lang ito about sounding good, but it's about how you clearly think under pressure. The biggest mistake, you're practicing your accent pero wala kang training sa active listening, critical thinking, and confidence under stress. Yan ang tinitingnan ng recruiters. And no, hindi lang ito para sa call centers, pero sa ibang roles, yan ang standard. If you've been doing everything right pero nauuwi pa rin sa rejection, maybe it's your time to shift how you prepare. At Metacom, we help you master what really matters so you don't just speak well, you get hired.